Hey everyone, I'm out here in the garage and what I'm going to be talking about today is Super Nozzle 45. So stay tuned. So if you're new to the channel, I just want to welcome you here and hopefully you'll consider subscribing if you like what you see. Also, check out DIY Apprentice on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I post lots of pictures and videos on those platforms before I post anything on YouTube. And occasionally I'll post things on those platforms I don't post on YouTube. Also, check out the website at DIYapprentice.com. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. So what I'm going to talk about today is this kit of tools called Super Nozzle 45 for applying adhesive and sealant products. So what I'm going to talk about is when you might want to use something like this on your projects. Let's get into it. Alright, so before we talk about the kit, let's talk about some of the types of caulk tubes or adhesive or sealant tubes you're going to be finding out there. So first of all, we've got this one here, which has a threaded end on it. And we've also got this other one with your standard tip on it. I actually cut that off, so that's why it looks like that. And then there's also the sausage style of tubes that you'll also be using with this kind of kit here. So with that out of the way, let's talk about what's included in the kit. So we've got these two large nozzles that have threads on the inside there. So those will fit easily over this kind of tube. And then we've got standard nozzles here. There are 8 of them. So then we've also got these adapters here, and these actually articulate from 45 degrees up to 90 degrees. So you just, takes a little bit of effort to move them. There you go. So you get 2 of those. You've also got these just fixed elbows here that are a little smaller. You got 2 of those. And you get this orange adapter right there. And you get a yellow adapter. So the orange adapter is used for your standard tube like this, and what you would do is just cut the nozzle off about a ½ inch above the end of this tube. And then this one here is used for sausage type of caulk guns. Also included in the kit are some instructions right there. Pretty handy, very detailed. So I'm going to start off with the threaded one. So like I just showed, you just screw that on. So we'll do that again. Just screw it on like that. So that gives you a little more reach with this longer nozzle. And of course we've got the smaller nozzles that are your standard nozzles. And then we've got this one here, this articulating elbow that goes on like this. Like that. You can also put these in combination with each other. So there's another elbow, a fixed elbow. You put that on. And then you just add your nozzle on the end, like so, and there you go. So you can get at different angles with that setup right there. Pretty cool. And if I wanted to, I can move that some more. So if you wanted to use this kit with the standard nozzle, like this one, that I've cut off here about a ½ inch above the top of this end of the caulk tube, what you would do is take this adapter here, slide that over the end, and then you just put that in your caulk gun. So here's my caulk gun. One thing I noticed when I was reading through the instructions is that it said that if your caulk gun on the inside measures less than 9¼ inches, so from here to this end here, then you'll have to cut off a little bit of the end of the tube. So I've already done that. I cut a little bit of the tube off here, about 3/8 of an inch, and that'll allow it to fit perfectly inside the caulk gun. So that's something you're most likely going to have to do because most caulk guns that I've seen are around 9 inches or less. Pull this back. And we'll load this in like so. And it's ready to go. Then you would just put your adapters on like this. There's one. Like I said, you can put another elbow on if you wanted to, if you really had a complicated angle. And then there's your nozzle right there on the end. And there you go. Alright, so there you have it. Just a brief look at Super Nozzle 45. That's a pretty cool setup. I like that a lot. And I figure I'll get quite a bit of use out of that in the bathroom because I have a couple areas where I'm not going to be able to reach with the standard caulk nozzle. So that's why I decided to go ahead and buy that kit and give it a shot. It looks like it's going to work out great. So hopefully this information was helpful, and thanks for watching. See links in the description below. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check us out on social media. And thanks for watching.